You guys say hi to Miss Cassie.
Hi, Miss Cassie.
Look what Miss Cassie made for you. Tell me what's in them.
Chocolate! Yummy! Yummy! Chocolate.
No, let's not eat the chocolate right now. What else is in them? What's in the baskets? Rings.
Chewing.
What is this guy?
That.
Look at these.
Sunglasses.
Awesome.
A bunny. Another one. Hey, a pendant.
What are these? A headband.
Yeah. A ducky. Happy. A ducky. Quack, quack.
Cute.
Happy.
Put your ears on.
Where are my sunglasses? Where's my
They're right there.
Oh, right here. I ran my mom. I ran my
And what's this?
a ducky.
A ducky.
Where's my ducky? Oh, that's mine.
There's one right here.
Yeah, that's mine.
Awesome. Want to put some sunglasses on?
Yeah. These are bubbles. You want to blow up?
Go ahead. Awesome. Let's not do these inside, okay?
Why?
Here, I'll let you blow one, and then we'll put them away. Blow some bubbles to Miss Cassie. Good job. Do it again.
You want to do some at Miss Cassie?
There you go. Good one. Too close, Ella. You got to back up. No, leave it. This is an outside toy,
Why?
because you'll get the carpet all yucky. Let's put some sunglasses on.
Me wants some chocolate.
Here, pick out some sunglasses. Put them on.
Chocolate.
Pink ones?
Yeah.
No. Put it back in the wrapper. We'll have that later.
Ew.
Yeah, not right now.
I want this.
Not right now.
Oh.
Later.
Can the little boy?
Put some after we're done with the video.
Okay.
Put some sunglasses on for Miss Cassie.
Okay. Hey. That can fit me.
Leave your ears on.
It's like.
Here,
Oh.
let me help you. There you go. Awesome. You look cute.
Is this?
Hey, what are you doing?
I want this. This. I want this.
Here, Ella. Later, not right now.
That's sunglasses.
Put them on, and then we're going to say thank you to Miss Cassie.
Thank you, Miss Cassie.
No, you can't say Happy New Year.
Yeah. Thank you, Miss Cassie.
Sit next to you, try to look at the camera and say, Ella, sit next to Lily, look at the camera.
Thank you, Miss Cassie.